today we're going to make a cake, and the reason being, it's a new recipe I've not heard of before. Now if you've got no eggs and you've got no oil, I've got both, so this is an experiment. But if you've got no eggs and you've got no oil, you can successfully bake a cake using a cake mix. That one's from Aldi's, I think it's about £1.70. Madeira. And I thought, well, what rhymes with Madeira? Mango. Well, you know, a Madeira mango cake sounds quite nice, doesn't it? So say if you've got a chocolate cake mix, I'd buy maybe a cherry coke to pop in with that. But because this is Madeira, we're going with mango. Alright? Basically all you do is you open the mix, such like, you pour it all in there. I'm choosing Diet Coke. You know, keep the sugar levels down for the kids and all that. You know what I mean? So we'll get that open. And then we're going to pour it in, but we've got to be really careful, I've heard. We've got to pour it into the mix. Really, like, slowly. It's quite stodgy, I've got to say, but by all accounts 1 can of pop will be sufficient for this recipe. You get the idea, don't you? I'll be back in a minute. Okay, mixture successfully mixed. Now I've just noticed on the Aldi's cake mix you don't actually need any eggs anyway. So if you're using an Aunt Bessie's, is it Aunt? It's Betty Crocker. If you're using a Betty Crocker cake mix, then you do and you will need eggs and oil. This one just says just add water and oil. So I've substituted the water for pop, obviously, and soda if you're in America, and I haven't put any oil in at all, and I'm guaranteed that this will work by all accounts. So anyway, we've mixed that up to a lovely consistency. There's no lumps, well, not that I can see anyway, and we're going to be cooking that in the PKP today. So let's just discard the whisk, and then we remove the lid. Okay, get yourself a couple of your cake liners. Using 2 will stop the bottom burning. Pop them in. It's as simple as that. Then carefully pour your mixture in there. Okay, pour that all in there. Get the trusted spatula out if you have to get the rest out of the bowl. And that's pretty much it, right? As you can see, the cake mix is in there. 2 cake liners. Whack your lid on. Line up the V's. Shut the lid. And then come round to the control settings. Then come down to your meat function, which is that one. And then you take that up to 50 minutes. And that's it. You leave it alone. It'll build the pressure up now, see? And that will continue to heat up, and we'll come back in 50 minutes. And job should be a good one. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, it's finished cooking. I'm using the 5 litre model. Forgot to mention that earlier. And now we're about to take the lid off. So here we go. It's finished cooking now. And there we have it. Now I'm going to give it a bit of a poke and a prod. Yeah, that's risen nicely. So now it's just a case of getting it out the pot, removing it out of the pot. So we'll discard the PKP for now, and somehow try and get it out. Yeah. Right, after burning my fingers just then, I think I've sussed it. We're going to do it this way. Ah, that's hot. Right. There we have it. Look at that. Now let's just peel the, you've got to be careful when it's hot, because it can fall apart, so just be careful. Now, lovely soft bottom there. Okay. And we're just going to leave that, let me just get rid of that altogether. We're going to leave that to cool down. Nice deep cake that is. Ow. There we go. Oh, nearly lost the lot. There we have it. The mango and Madeira cake. Now I've got some bits and pieces here. I've got some icing sugar. You don't have to use this, but I thought because we've used diet as the pop in the cake, then we can afford to be a bit more extravagant, can't we, with the sweet stuff. So I've got some icing sugar. I've got some Sicilian lemon flavoured frosting. I've got some lemon curd, and I've got some rich cream cheese style icing. So obviously just have that with a bit of custard. Do you know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with that. But I like to create when I'm cooking. So I'm going to let that cool down. Give it about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to slice it in half. And then we're going to create some magic. So anyway, if you just want it with a bit of custard, we'll leave it there. You know, you don't have to go any further with the video. But I'll show you the finished article, and I'm going to drag my son downstairs to taste test it for me as well. So it smells amazing. But I'll be back in a bit. Cut. And there we have it. All done in the PKP. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think of the mango and Madeira sponge.
Very nice.
What you getting? What you saying?
Very, very nice.
Taste-wise, with the lemon curd in the middle.
That's it, yeah, spot on.
And the slight lemon glaze on the top.
Spot on. Very nice.
Can you taste the mango in the sponge?
Can taste it.
From the can of pop. Nice and light.
Lovely.
Well, there you have it, guys. Job's a good one.